Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's TheMonaJalisa. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at TheMonaJalisa. And today I'm going to show you guys how to make a DIY ladder. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY blanket ladder because I can't be the only one who has all these scarves and blankets and more blankets and absolutely nowhere to put them. So in about 10 minutes and $8, you can have your own DIY blanket ladder. Stay tuned. So here's what you'll need. Approximately 20 screws about 3 inches long, some wood stain about 8 ounces, and you're going to apply that using gloves and an old rag or a sponge brush, 3 pieces of 6 feet 2x3 lumber, hand saw or miter saw, a drill, a screw gun, sandpaper, and some measuring tape. Now let's get started. So I wanted 5 steps on my ladder, so here I am measuring out 17-inch pieces and I'm getting ready to cut. I used my dad's table saw because it was more convenient and quicker, but feel free to use the hand saw and the miter saw. It just takes a little bit more arm strength. And cut. Then I knew that because I had 5 pieces, they needed to be 12 inches apart on the ladder. So here I am measuring out 12-inch bases on both sides of the ladder. Accuracy is key because you don't want a lopsided ladder. So then I used the triangle tool to make sure the lines were perfect and the spaces were right and all of that before I started to drill. The next thing I'm going to do is start drilling the holes to prepare for the screws. I drill the holes because it helps the screws not to split the wood. Everything's all lined up. I'm ready to go. So again, the drilling the holes helps the screws not to split the wood. So grab those screws. I told you to have about 20 of them. You're going to drill 2 holes into the holes you just 5 steps on both sides. Then I added the 20 screws that I needed to make sure that it fits securely. Everything's starting to look good. The ladder is complete. All 20 holes and screws are finished. So now I'm going to sand, and you can sand the wood before or after, but the sanding helps get ready for the wood stain. Next, I applied the wood stain with an old rag. I didn't use gloves because I'm a painter and I don't care if paint or stain or whatever gets in my hands. But you should use gloves because it did take a while to get out of my nails and off of my skin. After you apply the stain, then voila, your DIY blanket ladder is almost finished. The stain helps to see the natural grain of the wood and I absolutely love it. The last part, but definitely not least, is adding all your blankets. These are my daughter's cute little fuzzy blankets and they finally have some space and somewhere to go. So I absolutely love my DIY blanket ladder and I hope that you find the time to create one too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, tell me how you like the video, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.